Hey guys, all the products that you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Today we have this steel security box for SPYPOINT cellular cameras. I'll tell you my favorite thing about it in just a second, but first some things you need to know. First of all guys, this is for the Flex security cameras. It'll even fit the Flex S. It has a spot here for the solar panel as well as the antennas on the side here. If you have one of those steel cables, it'll pop out the side here, pop through the other side and secure the camera. Guys, these are great for if you're out in the forest and you're worried about bigger animals taking a bite out of your cameras. I've had a bear try to do that a couple of times. And guys, this is very helpful. It also has these really nice grips on the back that are going to help it to grip the tree. Not a lot of the cameras themselves or security boxes have that. It's super nice, super convenient. You can also put the strap around here, as well as a couple other options, guys, if you want more straps or more security. As you guys can see, this is the Flex S inside of the security cage. It just looks awesome. It fits it awesome. I mean, for what you pay for this, it's totally worth protecting what your investment is in the camera. And I really like the quality. It fits it perfectly. And guys, I just highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.